Hello Windows Universe, Michael with the Windows Club. In this video we will look at how to move Steam games to another driver folder. As always, we will link an article that will go more into depth. And do not forget to create a system restore point before making any changes to your system. To start, let's go to Steam, then Settings, Downloads, and Steam Library Folders. Click on Add a Library Folder. Choose whichever drive you want to create, and create a new folder. Let's call this one Steam Games, and click OK. Then open your games library, right-click on a game, go to Properties, go to Local Files. You'll see the option to Move Install Folder. Click on the destination that you want to go to and click Move Folder. For more informative articles on Windows, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. If this video helped you, then give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel where we are always uploading new and informative content aimed at making your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.